Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Check device model and OS version so you pick the right path. Open display or settings and locate adaptive or auto brightness. Once found, toggle it off. This stops the system from changing brightness based on ambient light. Make sure your screen protector or case isn't covering the light sensor. Obstruction fools the sensor. Also plug in the charger briefly. Some laptops reduce auto adjustments when charging. These first actions remove automatic control and prepare you for manual fixes. Next, you update drivers and power settings because drivers often re-enable dynamic brightness. On PC, open Device Manager and update the display adapter and monitor drivers. On mobile, install OS updates. Then set your power plan to balanced or high performance and turn off any battery dimming features. This prevents the system from lowering brightness to save power. Also inspect OEM utilities like Dell Power Manager or Lenovo Vantage. They can override Windows settings. Once done, reboot to finish by testing and calibrating the sensor. Clean the area, then cover and uncover it to see if readings change. This confirms sensor behavior. If you prefer control, install a trusted manual brightness app or rely on keyboard hotkeys to set a fixed level. These override momentary adjustments. If brightness still moves, reset adaptive settings, create a new user profile, or do a factory reset as a last resort. If problems persist after that, contact service. Faulty sensors or hardware require repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.